Google's Magic Eraser is reaching more Android and even iOS users. Google's Enchanted Eraser is an interesting component. Sadly, the smooth way of removing unwanted objects in images has been a Pixel-exclusive feature, but not anymore. The tech giant has now revealed that this editing tool is reaching more users, and don't worry if you are on iOS because you can use it too. Magic Eraser no longer a Pixel exclusive. The Tensor AI-based Magic Eraser will now be available for all Android and iOS users with Google Photos. But there is one condition: you will have to be a Google One subscriber. Of course, those with a Pixel phone will be able to enjoy the benefit for free. Magic Eraser was first introduced with the Pixel 6 series and uses AI to detect people, power lines, and more distractions, only to swipe them off with a few taps. For those who don't know, Google One provides users with access to cloud storage, much like iCloud functions. There are 3 plans besides the initial benefit of free 15 GB of storage. The basic plan with 100 GB of storage for 130 rupees a month, the standard plan with 200 GB of storage for 210 rupees a month, and the premium plan with 2 terabits of storage for 650 rupees a month. Google One, apart from extra storage across Google Apps, also provides exclusive editing features on Google Photos, Google Play rewards and perks, and more. This will also include features like HDR effect to strike a balance between backgrounds and foregrounds and maintain the brightness and contrast of an image. These new capabilities have started rolling out, and in case you are running out of storage and want the Magic Eraser badly, you can easily get subscribed to a plan. Do let us know if you end up getting Magic Eraser. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below.